Do you want fix Fortnite crashing? Okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay, in PlayStation 5 and in PC, okay. In PlayStation 5 we are going to the settings, okay, and we are going to the section of network, okay, and you check your network, okay. If not work this, okay, go to the system and you clear cache, and if not work this, okay, you uninstall and install the Fortnite, okay, and you solve the problem. For the PC we are going to the Epic Games, okay, launcher, and here we are going to the section of library here, okay, and here we are going to the Fortnite and go to the three points, okay, and go to the manage. Here in the manage we are going to the section of launch options, okay, and you click this, okay, you put dash, okay, dx11, or if not worth this, dash dx12, and you solve the problem. Bye bye.